Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Vilano model 320GK. The Vilano is Tiffin's entry-level fifth wheel, but it's not entry-level at all. It's actually a really great quality, great higher-end fifth wheel. It's just, it's not to the quality level of a Van Lee Beacon. We do have a painted fiberglass front cap, nice pin box there, and it is prepped for a generator. Coming on down the side here, we do have really nice storage, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, and look at that storage. Centralized vacuum and everything, and it is slam latch doors, and we do have power awning with LED lights. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, you can see that there is a ton of space in here. Really nice. We got your theater seats here with cabinetries, nice tri-cushion sofa here, TV on a televator, nice light wood, fireplace, sound system and everything. Right over here we have a great kitchen with a kitchen island, and then look at this dinette over here. Really nice dinette on a flush floor. Coming on up the steps here, we do have a okay sized bathroom. You know, this is a relatively smaller fifth wheel, but a good sized bathroom. But look at this bedroom. Massive slide out on that king size bed, which makes it awesome and super spacious. Prep for a stackable washer dryer, plenty of dresser drawers, and you do have a wardrobe space right there. Just overall a really great unit. I love the color scheme in here, and it's Tiffin, so you know it's going to be phenomenal quality. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Vilano 320. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables, or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click that link down below and a member of my team will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.